Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with a project share from my video, my live class that I did tonight, April 15th, 2022. And here's what I made. I made this Easter card, and I made it using 3 different Easter printable kits from Decorate Your Life. I will link those down below in the description box once this video is uploaded. Okay, so the kits I used was Easter Dreams, and I forgot the name of the other one. Let me see. Cutie Patootie is the name of the other kit. So we got Cutie Patootie, and we have Easter Dreams. Okay, so I will link those 2 down below in the description box. And here's the postcard that I made. See, you stamp here, recipient, sender. Here's the card that I made. Here's Cutie Patootie. This is all Cutie Patootie here. It's a little red truck here, but it's pink for Easter. And then I cut the flowers that were in the back, and I put Easter eggs instead. And I put Happy Easter over here. And I put Miss Cutie Patootie on the inside. Now, I never write in my cards. What I'll do is I'll insert something in here, and the recipient can reuse the card. Then we have this one, which we have Cutie Patootie and Easter Dreams here. These are from Crafter Square. And then here we have this piece here, and I think it's from the lavender kit. Okay, so these are the 3 items that I made. On my live. I hope you like them all. So I will say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit the red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So, with that being said, please be safe, be crafty, be kind, be blessed, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.